The Nebraska School District Property Tax Lookup Tool is available and can be located on the Nebraska Department of Revenue's website. The lookup tool will assist you in determining the amount of allowable school district property taxes paid on a parcel. The Property Tax Lookup Tool has data for property taxes paid in calendar year 2020 and 2021. The drop-down menu will default to 2021 calendar year. The department strongly recommends using the lookup tool. This video demonstrates how to use the lookup tool to attain a single individual residence parcel or property information for property taxes paid in 2021 calendar year. First, you will select the county where the property is located by clicking on the down arrow in the box right of the county name. Next, you will enter the parcel ID number. Some counties use property ID rather than parcel ID. Make sure you follow the instructions if there are additional values when entering the parcel ID. The parcel ID may be looked up by using the County Parcel ID search. In the next box, you'll enter the property tax year for which the Nebraska property taxes were levied and check the CAPTCHA box. Generally, most taxpayers pay their property tax in the year after the taxes were levied. For an example, most individuals paid the property tax levied in 2020 in the 2021 calendar year. If more than 1 year of property taxes were paid during the calendar year, a separate search must be made for each property tax year. Click Next. This page will provide you with the parcel information. It will show you the county name, parcel ID number, property tax year, owner, situs address, and legal description. This page also shows the school district property tax paid for 2021 calendar year. The amount displayed includes the total payments reported by the county treasurer for this parcel during the 2021 calendar year. If you need to reduce the tax amount paid to the county treasurer, you may update this amount in this box. The allowable school levies are displayed in this table and takes into account a reduction for any of the credits displayed above. You may also enter the name of the individual that paid the property taxes to the county treasurer. Click Next. This final page will show you the amount of allowable Nebraska school district property tax paid for parcels you have searched. If you have multiple parcels, you may click Search Another Parcel and repeat the prior steps. Your additional parcels will be added to the table. You may start a new search by clicking Clear All Parcels. Once you've completed your search, select Print the Worksheet and keep it for your records. Enter the worksheet information on the 2021 Form PTC. The example displayed is for a single parcel where property taxes were paid during 2021. On the Form PTC, Part A is used to compute the credit for school district property taxes paid and reported from Parts B and C to compute the total allowable credit. On Part B, the property tax year in this example is 2020. Enter the Nebraska county number. Please note, this number is not the county number shown on a motor vehicle license plate. Enter the parcel ID number. Enter the Nebraska School District property taxes you paid from the Property Lookup Tool worksheet. And complete box 4. On line 1, multiply the school district property taxes you paid on line 4 by 25.3% and enter the result on line 1. This result would also be entered on line 3. The line 3 amount will be entered on line 36 of the Nebraska Individual Income Tax Return, Form 1040N. Thank you, and I hope this video added value in completing your income tax return.